only can a leaf tip be used for sunflowers, we can also use them to make leafy succulents using the tip 352. The process is a bit similar to piping the sunflower, only we don't have a center. Because we don't have a center to start, we're going to keep angling the bag higher and higher to make this succulent look really nice and full. I already have a bag fitted with the tip 352 and medium consistency icing. And I'm going to show you this technique on a flower nail. So I'll just put on my flower square so we can get started. Watch how I have my bag positioned. I'm on a slight angle upward, and this is going to give my leaves a bit of a lift. If I don't angle the bag, the leaves will be flat, and you don't want to get that look. Now let's start piping. We're going to start building the base of our succulent by piping a row of leaves. Again, the tip needs to look like an open beak. I'm going to squeeze, stop, and pull away. Squeeze, stop, and pull away. I just finished my first row of leaves. Now that I'm on my second row, I'm going to tip my bag up just a tiny bit so we can keep building towards the center. I'm also staggering my leaves. This way I'm going to get a much fuller succulent. I'm now on my last row, and at this point my tip is pretty much upright. I am going to try and fit in a few more petals. I think I'm done. To get a nice color variation in succulents, you're going to want to try and experiment with color techniques like spatula striping, bag striping, and even two-tone. It'll really bring this succulent to life. Check out those videos where I talk about these techniques in more detail. Here I have some adorable brownie bites with leafy succulent. I love that the brownie bite looks almost like a little pot. If you pipe this in buttercream, you can freeze it and just place it on the top of your cake or cupcake. If you piped it in royal, just let it dry for about a day or so. You can also pipe this directly on a cupcake or a cookie if you want. And that's our leafy succulent.